Welcome, today I'll show you how to pair HUAWEI AM61 Bluetooth earphones with your LG Q6. First of all, need to turn off your earphones. To do this, in the middle of this panel, press and hold this center button. Wait a second. And now we turn off our earphones and then need to turn on and wait when the earphones go into pair mode. So let's start. Press and hold. And when we see the blue and red blinking, it's to pair mode. So the next one, go into Bluetooth settings on your LG. Wait a second, and now we have an available device, our HUAWEI AM61 Pro. Press. Wait a second for pairing. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.